'cause you have not got a clue. Baby, I'm howling for you.
The hottest lineup of cars that'll make every head turner try a lot harder. Nat Geo Super Cars starts 22nd October, Monday to Friday, 10 p.m. on National Geographic Channel.
क्या एक गाड़ी एक फुटबॉल फील्ड की लंबाई को 1 सेकंड में पार कर सकती है? Is it possible for a car to be banned, not for its speed, but for its sound? Is it possible for you to drive at 95 kilometers per hour in reverse? It's possible. If it's a supercar. What we love in horses is what we love in men. Blood. And the heat of the blood that runs them.
Walking on water, swimming in fire. I'm flying so high 'cause everything's going my way.
This time the prancing horse hails with a revolution in the automotive world. Simply put, एक 4-seater 4-wheel drive जो है Ferrari की आज तक की सबसे powerful और versatile car, the Ferrari FF.
Yo, everything's superstar.
A Ferrari that drives to be driven. A Ferrari to test your skills in. A dream car. A supercar. Whether it's a game of Need for Speed or Hot Pursuit, you race with none other than Aston Martin 177. Cutting-edge technology, handcrafted design, and of course, Mr. Bond's transport of choice. But this may be beyond him too. For starters, दुनिया में इसके सिर्फ 77 मॉडल्स बनाए गए हैं. Price? Well, here's 20 crores in the making.
David and Turner.